In this video, I'm going to build a full AI Shopify-style website in front of you using dropmagic.ai, and by the end, you'll see a clean, premium-looking store with product images, sections, and copy already done for you in minutes. Dropmagic is basically a tool that takes a product link, analyzes it, then generates a complete store layout with AI images, text, and design, so you don't have to start from scratch. Let's get started. Now I'm on the website of dropmagic.ai. The first thing you have to do is tap on Get Started. Once you tap on Get Started, you're taken to the next page. Here, it asks, what product do you want to launch? Right away, you can select your product source. This part is important because dropmagic needs a product link so it can pull info, understand what you're selling, and generate the store around it. So here are the options you can choose from. It can be AliExpress, your competitor, your Shopify store, Zendrop, Teamdrop, Amazon, Etsy, or you can try a sample product. For me, I'm going to pick AliExpress. Now what you have to do is paste your AliExpress link here. So first, go to AliExpress and find a product you want to get the content from. For example, I'm going to search for sweater for men. Once you're there, follow these steps. Select the product that you like. I'll choose this one. Copy the URL at the top. Go back to dropmagic.ai and paste the URL into the field. Then tap on Continue. Now, the AI will analyze the product. And what's nice here is you're not just blindly importing something. It actually checks things like the product potential, and it gives you a product score depending on the price, the margin you can do on the product, and also the images that have been found for the product. So after the product analysis is done, I just click Continue. Next, you can choose the ideal customer language for your store. You can pick English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, and more. And if the language is not available, you can click on Select another language. In my case, I'm going to select English. Now it asks you to choose your ideal customer. And this part matters because dropmagic is not only building the design, it's also shaping the vibe of the store, the style of the copy, and the way the product is presented. So the customer type you pick affects how the store looks and how it communicates. You have 4 options here: fashion forward, professional, casual family man, quality conscious retire, young urban trendsetter. For this sweater store, I'm going to tap on fashion forward professional. Next, you choose how you want to position your product. This is basically the angle or theme of the store. It helps the AI decide what style of messaging to use, what kind of sections to highlight, and what kind of feel the store should have when someone lands on it. You have 4 options here: effortless winter elegance, versatile layering, essential, cashmere comfort, all day long, sophisticated yet relaxed vibes. And you can also let AI design the persona for you. That means if you don't want to pick manually, dropmagic can still create the direction automatically based on the product. For me, I'm going to tap on effortless winter elegance. Now it's generating, so just wait for it. And then right here, you will see your free AI-generated images. You can select the AI images you want to use in your store, and you'll also see other images we found for your product. And this is a big deal because the AI images usually look much better than the supplier images, and a lot of the time they look cleaner and more premium. So for me, I'm going to select the AI images I want, and then I'll click Generate My Store. Quick note before we go, Dalsha. If you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us make more such videos. And if you want to try dropmagic, I'll put the link there: ecomsensei.com/dropomagic. Now, after you tap Generate My Store, the process will be finalized and your AI store will begin preparing. You just have to wait for it to be complete and ready until it reaches 100%. Now that it's done generating, you'll see a pop-up that says, "Congratulations! You've generated your first store with dropmagic." There's a quick video you can watch here to learn how to best use the builder, but we're just going to exit this. Now I can already see the website, and as you can see, it's very, very nice because I didn't do anything. The AI has made everything for me. It has found images for the reviews, generated images for the description, so everything has been made by AI. And now the best part is, in 3 to 4 minutes maximum, we're going to improve the quality of the website even more. So let's start right now. We have the possibility to choose different templates, so I just have to click here, the template button at the left side. And in here, I can select all the different templates, but most of the time I will have analyzed the product and will have picked the best template possible for the product you want to sell. But if you want to change things like color and fonts, you can do it very easily. So first, exit the template area, then tap on Colors, which is located just below the template button. Once you're there, you can click on the dice, and you'll have different color combinations proposed to you. And what's nice is the colors usually match the product style, so you don't have to guess too much. If you're not happy with the colors, you can go back and choose the template again. Or if you want to change only one color, you can lock the other one, and then click on the dice again. And if you want to choose your own color, just click on the color itself, and then select the exact color you want to use for the website. For example, I'll take something like that. Okay, perfect. Now I can do the same with the font. So I click on the dice, and I'll see a lot of different fonts. But if I want something specific like Roboto, I can just search for it. So I'm going to type Roboto, then select it. And now the store typography changes. If I want to adjust the title style, I can click here and the change will be made across the whole website. So it's not just one section, it's everywhere, which saves a lot of time. Now I can continue by changing buttons. So if you go to Buttons, as you can see, we have different options. I'll keep the solid one. Then you can do the same with images. For example, I can keep the classic one, which is None. Now let me show you what cards are. I'm going to scroll down. Here in the Reviews section, you can see these boxes. Those are basically cards. So now go back to Element Styles, and just here, as you can see, we have different options. I'm going to select the shadow because it looks very, very nice and makes the store feel more premium. And you can also change the border radius, like you can increase the radius for the button, or make things more round or more sharp. I'll keep something like that, and I think it's perfect. Now from here, I can also improve product areas easily. If I want to change the color, I can do it. If I want to change the text, I can do it. If I want to change the buttons, I just click the button, and you can change the style, size, radius, text, and icon. So everything is customizable without coding. Now if I want to add another block, I can just click on Add Block. For example, if I want a review block, I can add it. If I want an FAQ, I can click on FAQ here, even though it's already added. It's up to you, but that's the process. You just select what you want and it inserts it into the page. Now for images, if I want to change one, I click on the image, then choose another one. Tap on Choose Media, and you can select images here. I'm going to select this one with the brown background, and as you can see now, the result is much better. And if I want to remove some images, I just click the image, tap Images, and remove the ones I don't want to keep. Now it looks cleaner, and I can focus on the next section. If you scroll down to the next section, you'll see we have an image that was created by AI, so I can easily change these images in seconds. So change this if you want. And if I want to change the color and style of a section fast, I have the magic brush, which is very easy to use. You just click on it, and it proposes you different styles for the section. So for example, click it and the background changes. Keep clicking until you like the background color or the style. Okay, perfect. Now, I can do the same with the other sections. So just tap on Magic Brush again until you like the style. Yeah, perfect. Now I will change the image just here, maybe pick this one. Yeah, that is very, very good. But if I want to create my own image, I can do it too. So I click the image again, then tap on Generate AI Image. Then select an image that I want to start with. Let's take a very bad one on purpose, just for the example. Now here I will type this prompt. Redesign this sweater to look more modern and premium. Cleaner silhouette, better proportions, subtle details, and a cohesive color palette. Then I click Generate, and in a few seconds we'll have a new image. Now it is generated. If you notice it's still similar, you can describe it again, but take note that it has credits, only 2 credits. You can use this unlimitedly if you have the plan, but at least you now know how to generate it if you want to redesign the product. Now I click Save. And if you see that the sweater is not fully shown, just tap on the image and adjust the ratio here. Now that's perfect. The sweater is fully seen. Now if I don't want to keep a section, I can remove it. Just go to the magic brush area and you'll see a trash icon. Tap it and that section is removed. It's very, very easy. And if I want to change the style again, I can use magic brush again. Now another feature that saves a lot of time is the rewrite feature on the right side. So if I want to adapt the text to match the images, I click on Rewrite. I can select one of the options that has been proposed, or I can write the prompt I want. So for example, I can type, rewrite this into a how to wear it section for a sweater. 3 numbered cards, 1 to 3. Each card needs a 2 to 4 word title plus 45 to 60 word paragraph. Then I tap the arrow and it starts generating, and you'll see the results show up. So it's really up to you what you prompt. I just did an example so you can understand how it works. Perfect. As you can see, it's very quick. Now once your store looks good, publishing to Shopify is very easy. I just have to click Publish at the top right side, then tap on Connect your store. It will show you that you can choose to either use a new Shopify store or an existing one, and the shop will be directly sent to Shopify. And now this is our store. As you can see, it is much better. I've just used the images that we generated before, and yeah, the result is excellent. And I built this website in about 10 minutes. If you want to take this store live, you're going to need Shopify, of course. If you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us make more such videos. And now you know how to build a full AI store in minutes, customize it to look more premium, and get it ready for Shopify. If you follow the exact steps you saw here, you can repeat this process for other products too and save a lot of time. I'll see you in the next video.